coming home and I'm on my own. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first video, and I'll be teaching you how to make the basic crochet stitches. So yeah, we basically have three basic crochet stitches, and it is the single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. So let's get into it. I'll be using the Seagull yarn 4.0 millimeter hook and scissors. So I've doubled my yarn. So first we make a slip knot. Chain 5. Insert your hook in the second space from the hook. So 1, 2. This is the second. Pull up a loop, then pull through all. Let's do it again. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through. Insert your hook, this is the last one, pull up a loop, then pull through all. So here we are making the single crochet. Then chain 1, turn your work, insert your hook, this is row 2, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through all. Chain 3, row 3, chain 1, turn your work, do the same thing. Chain 1, make row 4. So this is how single crochet is made. Chain 1, make row 5. So this is it. Chain 1, then cut. Yeah, this is basically how single crochet is made. So let's see how half double crochet is made. So let's go ahead and see how that half double crochet is made. So first we make a slip knot. Like that. Yeah, insert your hook. So let's go ahead and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 slip stitches. So we are gonna place the first half double crochet in the second space from the hook. So 1 2, the second one. So making the half double crochet, do like that, insert your hook, pull up a loop, so we have 3, pull through all the 3, then turn your hook around the yarn, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, there are 3, and pull through all. Let's make the third one. Pull up a loop, pull through all 3. So go ahead and just do that. To make row 2, chain 1, turn your work, and do the same thing. So this is it basically. Well, you always chain 1 before you make the so basically these are my 5 rows of half double crochet. So I'm gonna chain 1, tighten, and then cut off the yarn. So next, let's go ahead and make the double crochet. So first you make a slip stitch, like that. Chain 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for the double crochet, we make the first double crochet in the third, not in the second, like the single crochet and the half double crochet. We shall make the first double crochet in the third space from the hook. So this is 1 2 in the third, so you have 3 on the hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again, insert your hook in, pull through 2, pull through again. We are at the end of row 1. So to make row 2, chain 2, turn your work, and in the first, this is the first, because these 2 chains the chain 2 counts as a double crochet, so we aren't putting in this one. So we put a double crochet in here and all through up to the end of row 2. Make sure you put the last one here in the space here. Yeah, you should be having seven double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Chain 2, make row 3. So after row 3, you can tighten, chain 1, tighten your yarn, and then cut. So yeah, these are the basic stitches. This is the single crochet, this is the half double crochet, and this is the double crochet. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and DIY content. Yeah, thank you.